Welcome back to Anchor Designs. I'm James, and today we are going to be making our very own lathe turning carbide insert chisels. Easy way and probably a hard way. Let's get started. I bought the tips quite a while ago. I didn't buy any steel dedicated for this job. I just so happened to have some 12 by 12 mil square stock, which is just your typical hot rolled, formed, whatever you want to call it, steel. It's nothing fancy. It's not going to be hardenable. I think for this in particular size, it doesn't need to be hardened. I did buy some silver steel a while ago, but I just think it's unnecessary, really. So I am going to have a play with this and see how we go. Admittedly, in my workshop, I have not, wanting to brag here, but I've got probably more tools than most people who are getting into wood turning. So I'm going to have a go at doing this just with files, basic tools, maybe use the drill press, and, kind of see how we go from there. Just a little bit of a challenge, and I will probably off camera do a machined one with my milling machine and all the other fancy bits. But let's do it, let's try doing it by hand. I know people have done this before, and there's some, really good videos out there. I just kind of wanted to do it a little bit more of a how-to and what happened type video. So, less talking, more thingy. Let's go. I'm super happy with that. It works, it does the job, it looks smart, it's turning great. I've got a little bit of a problem with the tool height, with the tool rest. These are a lot thicker than my traditional style tools, so I could either take a little bit off the back here, or I could modify the tool rest just slightly, just take a little bit off the base. But it works with both inserts, which is great. So I've kind of got a multi-tool for if I'm doing bold stuff or just rough cutting. I'll probably make another one of these off camera, but thanks so much for watching. I hope you learned something from there. If you like these videos, please let me know. Please leave a like and a comment, and subscribe to see more. See you next time. Thanks guys.